In a modest room, bathed in ethereal light, Saher gazes dreamily at the sky as soft, magical music fills the air.
Once upon a time, in a small middle-class home, lived a girl named Saher. She was 16, full of dreams, but not ordinary dreams.
Saher, lost in her dreams, envisions herself as Cinderella, gliding through a golden palace.
Every night, she dreamt of a prince. The begins, a prince who would appear from the stars, wrap her in silk gowns, golden ornaments, and take her to a world of heaven. Far from the reality she knew, Saher, clad in her school uniform, escapes into a world of princesses, her notebook filled with dreams. Saher's heart lived in fantasy, but her life was tied to a different world, one of exams, expectations, and simplicity. During break, her friend Narmeen approaches, breaking her reverie. The classroom buzzes with tension as exams loom. Narmeen's face shows her worry. Saher, the exams are next week. Have you even started preparing? Narmeen asks, her voice laced with concern. Saher nonchalantly replies, No, Narmeen, why should I? I won't need grades when my prince takes me away. I just need to look beautiful. Narmeen's eyes widen with concern as she begins to speak, her expression a mix of worry and determination. Narmeen's concern intensifies as she confronts her friend with a harsh reality. My dear beautiful friend, no prince is going to come searching through these narrow streets. Narmeen emphasizes the prince's choices. Why would he, when he has palaces full of wealthy, beautiful girls to choose from? Saher's smile falters, the corners of her mouth dipping slightly as she absorbs Narmeen's words. Narmeen stands, her expression earnest as she addresses the class. She declares, first become a princess, not in looks, but in strength, talent, and grace. She emphasizes with unwavering conviction. Then the world will see your crown, even without a prince. Saher sits alone, the moonlight painting long shadows as Narmeen's words haunt her. Echoes of the past resonate as Saher reaches for her textbook. Tears threaten, but determination hardens her gaze as she opens the book. Saher resolves to rise, her brow furrowed in fierce concentration. Saher dedicates herself to her studies, her determination growing stronger. She immerses herself in learning new skills, her focus unwavering. Saher begins to dress with care, her newfound confidence radiating. Saher stands tall, her presence commanding even in the simplest of settings. The auditorium buzzes with anticipation as students and faculty fill the seats, all eyes on the stage. Saher stands at the podium, her voice resonating with unwavering confidence as she delivers her speech. Recognition washes over Saher's awards are presented, celebrating her selfless contributions to those in need. In the front row, Saher's parents beam with pride, their hearts swelling as they witness their daughter's triumph. She became the princess she always dreamed of, not by waiting for a prince, but by believing in herself. From across the schoolyard, a boy notices her. His face softens with respect and admiration. His smile reflects the humility and inspiration he finds in her spirit. Saher gazes out the window, books held in one hand, dreams swirling in her heart. Dream like a princess, but rise like a queen, because the world doesn't give crowns, you earn them.